Hello everybody, welcome back. As you can see, the pot is dry. It's fully dry. This is the small one, and the big one. It took about 24 hours to seal up the bottom of it, because I'm gonna be putting water there. So I'm gonna add the water fountain first. Put the water fountain here. I'm gonna put it on over here. Put this one out and the pot out. I have about 5 and 6 of these. I'll put one more here. After I finish this, I'm going to put it the tube. I'm going to put it through here. And then I'm going to add another marbles. I'll repeat the same thing. As you can see, it looks like this. Isn't it beautiful? I'm going to pour some water. I need some cold water. I'm going to pour some cold water. You can see it's all finished. The water fountain is dripping, you know, and this is what it's going to look like. You see that? And then I'm going to show you where you can place it in your house. As you can see, this is what it's going to look like. Isn't it beautiful? You can put it any place in your kitchen. This is my living room. You can put it there. This is soothing. When you're sleeping, it's good for the summertime. Water fountain. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe and like. I appreciate you. Bye bye.